It is pretty nice. Yeah, temperatures made it back into the low 80s once again yesterday, although just barely. Topping out at 80 right on the dot in Corvallis, 81 for those of us here near Eugene. A touch warmer in Roseburg at 85 and a touch cooler when you head up to Portland, where they did stay down in the 70s, topping out at 75 degrees there. Nice and comfortable in Medford at 92 degrees. And then when you get out to the coast, temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s there. And we have seen a big cool down for central and eastern Oregon, where most folks have dropped down into the 80s. That's also helping out the firefighters working to contain what we have about 7 large wildfires still burning here across the state. Now this morning we are watching some low clouds develop here right along the Oregon coast, also in the North Valley there. Excuse me, as you head down the west slopes there near Mount Hood. And then also across western Washington. Any clouds that we do see this morning, I do expect to break off or burn off very quickly this morning, and we'll get right back to those sunny skies. So just a few clouds here near the airport. Current temperatures at 49, dew point down to just 48. And because those numbers are rather close, we could also see a little bit of patchy fog developing here in the valley. Winds are from the northwest, though, at about 8 miles per hour. So the jet stream continues to be pretty much to the north of us. We are seeing some cooler Arctic air moving down from the northwest, though, and so that will affect our high temperatures over the next 2 days. But we don't have any storms moving in here today or any time in the next several days. What we do have, though, is high pressure sitting just offshore, and then low pressure here in western Nevada. Those two areas of pressure are actually going to start to move closer together as low pressure moves up to the northwest and this high pressure moves down to the southeast. As those two get close together, what happens is the pressure between them starts to squeeze. And what happens then is those winds really start to pick up. So I do expect some strong winds today again along the coast, and then we'll see those here in the valley come tomorrow. We're talking gusts of about 30 miles per hour. So you do want to be prepared for that. Otherwise, not a whole lot going on. Again, just a few brief morning clouds that do burn off very quickly this morning. We all get back to sunny skies this afternoon, staying that way all day long on Friday, except for the extreme north coast. And then as we head into Saturday, seeing that sunshine sticking with us again. Perfect weather for the Eugene celebration this weekend. And then come Sunday, we'll see those clouds move in for the first part of the day. For the coast, your highs today will be back into the mid to upper 60s. Again, mostly sunny this afternoon. You will see those breezy conditions once again, though. Winds will be from the north there, 10 to 20 with gusts up to about 30 today. Will be windy again tomorrow, but those high temperatures staying in the mid 60s, mostly sunny on Saturday. And then next week, we're going to start to see a storm move just offshore. So we could see a little bit of drizzle along the coast for Sunday, and then some isolated showers the middle part of next week. For the Umpqua Basin, we're looking at high temperatures of about 80 degrees here today, sunny and mild winds out of the north, staying at 80 Friday, but back up to 86 here for Saturday. Mid 60s for the Cascades, Central Oregon right at about 80, and you are going to see these cooler temperatures hanging around this week. And for the valley, we're looking at mid to upper 70s, so a touch cooler. Winds out of the north, a few brief morning clouds, but lots of sunshine this afternoon. We will see those breezy conditions on Friday. We're looking at winds from the north at 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30. Again, that's for Friday morning. Then we'll see sunny, warm conditions for Saturday. And then next week, we'll start to see some cooler temperatures, a little bit more cloud cover.